Hey everybody, Jennifer Navarrete here back for another Twitter Spaces 101. This time we're diving into Twitter's new scheduling feature for Spaces, which by the way is rather exciting. Okay, so we are going to start here on my profile, and then remember that if we press and hold the bottom plume, the option to start a space pops up, and we're going to click on that. Now, what I want you to notice is that at the very bottom, it gives us the opportunity to schedule for later. That's new. So we're going to schedule something for later. Let's do that right now. So I'm going to schedule something for Friday, and it's going to be a something for the lunch bunch. And let's do a podcast, AMA. And so most folks know what that means. Ask me anything, but in case someone doesn't, let's put that in there. And now we're going to schedule it for later. So I'm going to select Friday, and I'm going to select 11:30 a.m. and then I'm just going to click schedule. There it is. My space is scheduled. It's good to go. I can share it, right? I can share it through DM. I can share it through tweet. I can copy the link, share it on other spaces and social. In this case, I really just want to show you where it's at. So if we come back to look where we would normally look for spaces, what you're going to notice is that now at the bottom, it says scheduled, right? So this is what's scheduled. And when I'm ready to go live, I can come here and I can share it or I can start it. I could always cancel it too. But this is how it works. Now, there's a con here. You can only schedule one space at a time. It's not like Clubhouse where you can schedule, like on Clubhouse, I actually schedule 3 or 4 at a time going forward so that they show up on the calendar. Here, you're only scheduling one at a time. And once this is done, then you can schedule another one. So I'm hoping that they allow us the ability to schedule several at a time. But so far, granted, this is the version that I have. It only allows me to schedule one. I know that there is an app update that is being rolled out this week. I know some folks already have it. But as far as I know, it's one at a time for now. So now that it's scheduled, you'd be like, well, how do I know that when it's coming? Twitter actually is doing something kind of fun. They do send you a notification that says, start your space in 30 minutes. That's a little prompt, it's a little reminder. It comes up and lets you know that this is coming, which I think is great. It's helpful. It's something that, again, it's a work in progress, and I'm excited by all the progress that they're making. So, now that you know how to schedule a space, is that something that you're jazzed about? Something that you can't wait to start? Are you already scheduling spaces? Hit me up. I'm ePodcaster on Twitter, and look for another Twitter Spaces 101 session coming next week. Until then, I wish you well and happy Twitter Spaces. Is that a thing?